In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com. Make.com is a visual automation platform, formerly known as Integromat, that lets you connect your favorite apps so that when something happens in App A, something useful automatically happens in App B. No coding required. Think of it as building a clear, drag-and-drop workflow that runs for you in the background. First, head to Make.com and create a free account. You'll get a bundle of free operations each month so you can explore without pressure. After verifying your email, you'll land on the dashboard, which is home base for everything you build. Before we click around, it helps to learn a few key terms. A scenario is your full automation, the complete workflow that runs from start to finish. Inside a scenario, you'll add modules, which are the building blocks that do things like watch for new form responses or send emails. The trigger is the event that starts your automation, and actions are what happen after the trigger. You can also add a router or a filter to control which path the data takes and under what conditions. From the dashboard, you can start with a template or build from scratch. Templates are pre-built automations you can use as is or customize, which is perfect for beginners. If you want total control, click Create a new scenario. Let's build your first scenario. Start by choosing a trigger. Search for the app you want to listen to, maybe Google Forms, Gmail, or Slack, and pick a trigger event like watch responses or new email received. When you add a module for the first time, Make will prompt you to connect your account to that app and authorize access. Once connected, add your actions by clicking the plus after the trigger. For example, you might update a Google Sheet, send a confirmation email in Gmail, or post a message in Slack. Configure each module carefully. Select the exact spreadsheet, sheet tab, or inbox you want, and map the fields so the right data flows to the right places. If you need conditions, insert filters so certain actions only run when criteria are met, or use a router to branch the flow in multiple directions. Now test it. Click Run once to execute the scenario with sample data. Watch the little bubbles above each module to confirm data moved through correctly, and open any module to see details if something looks off. When everything works, save and turn the scenario on. You can also schedule it to run at set intervals, like every 15 minutes. Start simple, test often, and expand as you go. Make.com will handle the busy work for you.